Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you what are the Python escape characters and their explanation. So for this case, we have to go to the Python Jupyter notebook. So here there are sufficient options. Then we can use the escape sign as well as escape the later signs which we use later. So first of all, ignore our backslash. This is hello backslash IT world. If we press, then it is actually nothing. If we press this in the middle term, it is nothing. It will only show that this is hello IT world. Then escape backslash. This is also one thing. Here is a double backslash, but it work only one. The second thing will not work. See this. And the next is escape single quotation. That means, so if you press S, the hello IT world, it will divide it, or the single things. IT world will include the single quote. If we again show the double quotation, so it is also show the different thing. That means if it divide the or include the different thing which involve in the double quote. Here the next thing is ASCII bell character. So what is that? It is if we press the hello backslash a, it will print the same thing. The next is backslash n. It created the new line. We all of know this because previous programming we use this sign later. We will define this, so it will divide or break the next line, and it created the new line. So backslash r, it will printed the line 1 because it removed the previous sentence or previous words and print the next word. See here, it will print the line 1 section. So tab, the next portion is tab. What is that? Actually, if we press the hello in backslash t, it will print this and it will work as like a tab button. See here has sufficient space. How tab it work? Similarly, it will work here. Then the octal value, which is counted, h represent this, as well as the consecutive number will also represent this, the next thing. So that's why it will represent the hello option. Press run, see. Then the hexa value. What is that? This is the hexa version which represent from the starting expression, and hexa number, it will define x for 8 consecutive wise. It will work this and it will print this hello. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.